Welcome to the new industrial revolution, the era of innovation economy. We believe that only innovative ideas lead to real progress and make successful businesses. With waveco, we have gone beyond simple innovation. We have invented the machine that will give you an edge in the food service industry. High-quality materials, attention to details, and innovative design. That is waveco, a machine conceived, designed and built in Italy. Its touchscreen panel with intuitive and smart apps that carry you through its simple duty cycles make waveco very user-friendly. With its innovative technology of induced maturation, you can obtain softer and more attractive food. The food keeps all its nutritional value and organoleptic properties, significantly increasing its shelf life by destroying the bacterial proliferation almost immediately. Waveco will help you prepare any type of dish: meat, fish, vegetables. The ingredients placed inside waveco will be massaged by means of its induced maturation system, thus eliminating all the natural toughness of the food texture, making it tender and juicy, as well as enhancing aromas, taste and colors, bringing out the best of its natural qualities. At the end of the maturation duty cycle, the food can be eaten or cooked according to the chef's preference, but in shorter times as the ingredients have undergone a tenderizing maturation process. Alternatively, it could be cooked with waveco at low temperature, a new technique that doesn't stress the food and which boosts its taste with perfect uniform and always consistent cooking results. With waveco, no more long aging, tenderizing and/or soaking times, no more long cooking, no more food and money waste. Thanks to waveco, you will save time and resources that you can use to create and prepare your culinary masterpiece. Designed to last, waveco is the best ally you will ever have in the kitchen. Using waveco means cutting cost in the supply and production chain, reducing preparation and cooking times, high energy savings, cutting food costs, increasing shelf life, making the food bacterially immune. Waveco is a must in any kitchen.